what I did was I got this spindle sander, and I've got an unboxing video if you want to see that. There's going to be a link on the screen or at the end of the video or in the description box. But it's a spindle sander, and this part spins so that I can quickly at least do the first part of the sanding. So I've got to build something to hold the guitar body. One thing I saw that I thought I might make, and I think I might have enough wood to do it with, is it looks like a Moxon vise. If you've ever seen a Moxon vise, I can probably use it with my pipe clamps, but at least to just test it out, I want to try to make it today and see if it'll work. So let me go get the wood. I'm entering into the deep, dark alleyway
in the back of my garage.
This is just all scrap wood. Alright, I know I'm going to need a front and a back, and probably like a 90-degree back piece that I can clamp to the table. I'm just trying to figure this out. So let me figure it out, and I'll come back to you. So I figure it needs to be, you know, maybe about half the height of the guitar. Let's just say maybe 7 inches. I don't know, maybe 6 is good. Maybe 6 inches is good. Alright, I can cut this in half, and I got the front and the back. How long does this need to be? I need to have room for a clamp here and a clamp down there. Let's just say that long. How long is that? Let's just say 32 inches. What you think? I ain't got no plans. This is what I ended up with. The 2 right there, the 2 just a little bit shorter, but although unequal, they're likely to be friends forever. Alright, so it's been a day, and I've been thinking about it, and I'm just not happy with them being different sizes, so I remade them. Sit it up on its side so that I can shoot some nails into it. So that's going to be the back portion. So now what I got to do is take these little wedges I made and put those here, and that'll keep it at a 90-degree angle. But I'm just thinking, before I do that though, it might be a better idea to go ahead and drill some holes. It'd be easier if I didn't have these wedges on there already. So if I have my guitar, so I guess I'm going to want the clamps as far over as I can get them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes here. Let's see if I can turn this around. Make it to where when the pipe goes through, it's just sitting on here. You know what I mean? These are 3/4 inch pipe clamps, and I have a 1 3/8 inch Forster bit. So I'm going to mark where this hole is, drill a hole through so that it has a little wiggle room, because I'm probably going to have to clamp the front piece at an angle because the guitar has a taper to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that now. And I'm just going to trace the bottom of that circle. I'm going to drill it until this little point comes through the other side, and then I'll turn this over and finish the hole from the other side. And that way I can hope to prevent at least some blowout. See what it looks like on the other side. There. So all the way through. No blowout. Pretty nice. Alright, now I just got to transfer those holes to the front side. Okay, so I've got the holes done here. So now I can go ahead and add the wedges. I'm just going to eye it. Alright, so I put a little clamp on here because it wasn't seating all the way up. But anyway, this clamp is pulling it up tight against that wedge now, so the glue will at least dry, and then it'll be a solid joint there. Alright, it's been overnight and it is done. Just got to put it together and then test it out. So let me go ahead and attach this other side. I think it goes like that. Yeah, I've definitely got to get some shorter pipes. I mean, I guess I could cut them if I had something to cut them with, but alas I don't. So let me try this out. So I haven't really got an idea really too much about what I'm going to use to protect the guitar. For now, I think I'm going to use some of that non-slip drawer liner temporarily until I can think of a better solution or some foam or something. But let me go ahead and put some of that in here and we'll try it out. And we'll come up with a more permanent solution. And this is kind of wonky too, so I got to make it to where it won't do that somehow. But let me go ahead and try to clamp this in there. I think what I'm going to do is just hold it in there like this. Now, it's just clamping on the ends. It's not touching in the middle. Yeah, so I think this was really kind of just an exercise in making something work. Alright, I had some scrap plywood. I had some pipe clamp fixtures, so I bought a couple of pipes and I hobbled something together that'll work for right now. And this is going to work just great for this first guitar that I'm making. Yeah, I can probably improve on it. I'll probably try to find some different kind of foam to go here, or some non-stick foam. Come up with a better way so it's not just all wonky when I'm trying to put the guitar in there. But for now, this is going to work just great. So, I'm super happy that I have something that I can use. This was something I've been just kind of thinking about in my head. How am I going to clamp the guitar to use this new tool I got? Which, let's try that out. You're seeing me use this for the very first time. Let's give it a shot. Wow, that's pretty cool. Not too shabby. Okay, so I think I'm ready to actually move on with this guitar. I got to sand the sides and get them smooth, and then I got to put the binding on this guitar. So if you'd like to see that, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do have a whole series on this guitar. I started from scratch. I'm about 7 or 8 videos in by now, so if you want to, you can go back and watch the first one through now, and then you can continue to watch me as I finish this guitar. So I'm very excited to move on to the next part. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.